I've been seeing many YouTubers talk about replacing your BRP with an e-visa, and I felt it's very important that I share with you a step-by-step process of how I replaced my BRP with an e-visa. Seriously, I just received this email right now from the Home Office, and I felt it's so important that I take you through the steps, and so that you will know what to expect, so that whenever you receive yours, you know exactly what to do and what not to do. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Cynthia. I share information that will help your transition abroad to be as smooth as possible. I share information about settling, working, or studying in the UK. If you're interested in settling in the UK, studying in the UK, yeah, just subscribe to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. Now, this email says, if you did not receive this email directly from the Home Office, it may not be possible to create your account or view your e-visa yet. So if you have not received this, please do not click on the link. Do not do that. Wait until you have received yours from your email before you start the process. Dear Sir / Ma, we are contacting you because your BRP will expire on 31st of December 2024. To prove your immigration status after this date, you will need to replace your BRP with an e-visa. The expiration date of your BRP card does not affect your immigration status. However, starting in 2025, the way you prove your immigration status will change. Now, it goes ahead to list, what do I need to do now? Please take the following steps now. Create a UKVI account to access your e-visa, which will replace your BRP. To create your UKVI account, you will need your date of birth, BRP number, your passport if you do not have a BRP, access to your email address and phone number, access to a smartphone. You should create your UKVI account it gives a link there. Let me take you to the process step by step. Let's go. I clicked on the link in my email. It led me to this particular page. Get access to your e-visa. It says there are different stages I need to pass through. I'll create a UKVI account and then confirm my identity using the UK immigration ID check. The final step is to link my e-visa. So I clicked on Start Now. The first question is, have you ever had a biometric residence permit? I clicked on Yes and clicked on Continue. Do you still have your biometric residence permit? I clicked on Yes and clicked on Continue to the next page. So on this next page, it says, is your biometric residence permit BRP valid? I clicked Yes. So you have to answer accordingly. If it's no, whether it has expired in less than a year or it's expired over a year ago. So I just clicked on Continue. On this page, it says create your UKVI account. And if you scroll down, it has listed the things you need in order to create this account. So you need your date of birth, BRP, access to an email or a phone number. Then I clicked on create account. So on this page, it says, who are you creating this account for? I said it's myself. Then it needs you to put in your given names and your son name. And when you finish this, you click on continue. It says, what is your country of nationality? You include it here. On the next page, it has this question, which identity document are you using? So I'm using my BRP. So I choose my BRP and click on continue. It says, enter your BRP details. Scroll down and put in your BRP number and include your expiry date, the day, month, and year. Then you click on continue. What is your date of birth? So you put in your date of birth using the style stipulated here. After that, you click on continue, and then it says, what email address do you want to use when you sign into your account? Once you put in your email address and click on continue, they will send you a 6-digit security code, which you have to use within 10 minutes. So once you do that and click on continue, it will take you to this other page. What phone number do you want to use when you sign into the account? So you put your phone number here and you click on continue. Check your phone. So they'll send you a 6-digit security code you have to use within 10 minutes or it will expire. So when you put in the security code right here, you click on continue. Do you want someone else to have access to your account? I just wanted myself. I tick no. So you have to check your details in the next page and make sure everything is correct before you create account. Now it says that the UKVI account has been created. So what next do you need to do? That's when it tells you that you need to sign into your UKVI account before you can view your e-visa. We will ask you to confirm your identity using the UK Immigration ID Check app, how to sign into your UKVI account. You still need your ID number, your date of birth, access to email address, and phone number in order to sign in. So the next thing I had to do here is just to sign in. It will take you to this page. What is your BRP number? Then it will ask you for your date of birth. How do you want to receive a security code? So you choose whether you want an email or phone number. Then you put your security code, which has been provided to you, and you click on continue. On the next page, you will notice that the form has been created. So it says link your e-Visa account. So you can start by clicking the start button. And after that, you see this page. You see a list of things you have to cover. They are in 3 sections. You have identity and contact, account security, and submit request. So the first thing we have to do is click confirm your identity. So when you go on this page, it says you will need to confirm your identity using the UK Immigration ID Check app. You can use someone else's phone if you need to. The app can be deleted once your identity has been confirmed. So just click on continue. Now it says check you have the right smartphone. So they're accepting an iPhone 7 or newer version or an Android phone that can make contactless payments. Click yes if you have any of these type of phones, and then you can download the app here. And you see this second part, which is connect the app to your account when it's asking for a code, or maybe you can use a QR code to do it. So first of all, let's just go straight to the app. So I have this app on my phone. I have a video about how you don't need to go to biometric centers. You just use this app at home and confirm your identity. If you want that video, I'm going to put the link up here so that you can view it. Now, when you click on the app, you see this. Now you click on continue and it will take you to this particular page. What you have to do right here is that you can either choose the QR code or connection code to connect the app. Once your connection code has been created, what you have to do is you go back to your initial application, you put it in there, and then click on connect. That is how you've connected the app to your application. Go back to the UKVI ID Checker app to confirm your identity. You select where you want to receive the code, whether through email or phone number. Then they will send you a 6-digit code, which you insert here. And after inserting, you click continue. Then you accept this privacy just by clicking OK. And after this page, you go into the next part, which is about the steps you have to follow in order to complete this confirmation of ID. First, you prepare all your identity documents so that you can take a capture of it. So first, you take an image of your document. Make sure you don't cast any shadows so that it's as smooth as possible. This one was very easy for me. After taking the image, you flip it to the other side. That's your BRP. Turn it to the other side and take another image. And it's just accepted it. This one was very smooth for me. This next step was the tricky part for me because I had to scan it 3 times before it went through. So I will explain to you what I did differently for it to work out for me. And then the next part you have to do is you have to scan your face. Now, you have to make sure your face is within the circle there. There are some instructions of what type of pictures are acceptable, and the ones that are not acceptable, it should be on a plain bright background, no shadows, nothing in the background, and you have to look into the camera. There are some things they explained there. So you just follow the instructions and you get it. The toughest part was scanning the chip in my BRP card, and it was really tough for me because I didn't really figure it out until later. So what happens is if you put your BRP on top of a table, no shadows, no nothing. So you put your phone on top of it. See, the first time I scanned it, it said phone or document moved whilst accessing the chip, so it did not accept it. So it says try again, and try again means you have to start afresh again, and it's really, really tough. So this last time I got it because what I did was I placed my phone on top of the BRP. I left it there. Then it will tell you when to move the phone to find the chip. So you move the phone slowly until it shows you, hey, keep the phone still. Then you leave the phone, leave it still so that it can access the chip. You can see the bar is moving there, the green bar is moving there. It says access chip completed, and that was how I was able to pass through. Someone said it will give you a number of attempts to complete each stage, and if you don't achieve it, it might even block it off and say send your documents to the Home Office, and I don't want to go through that. Next is to scan your face, and if it accepts your photograph, this page will pop up and then you can click on submit information down there. The next page shows identity details submitted. What happens next? It says return to the UK visas and immigration account to continue. Now you go back to the web browser and sign in, and then that's when this will show up, identity information submitted. Click on continue. Just make sure that you complete the 3 categories in this form. We're talking about identity and contact. You've already confirmed your identity on the app, so you just choose your contact preferences, complete your account security questions, and then you do your declaration. Make sure each section has completed, that blue bar completed, then you submit. Once you submit, you receive this email. We are linking your e-visa to your account, and then a few minutes later you receive this, view your e-visa. So it has your name and your reference number there. If you don't get these emails, then you have not completed the process. I hope you've benefited a lot from this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.